Hi, today I want to show you how to use OBS to record multiple audio channels. So my OBS is here, and you can see I'm using the USB microphone. I'm not recording at the moment, I just use it for demonstration. And normally when I do a screencast like this, I want to record the audio output from the desktop as well. So my microphone has very low level, so I've always put it to the max. And desktop, I put it somewhere in the middle. Okay, let's try to play a media here. Now when I talk, there's a music very
I'm an
loud,
AI
so I have to put it down to make
artist,
you can
and I
understand.
want to sing a song to
If
you.
I can record this in multiple channels, so I can adjust the level in the post-processing. If I now go to the OBS application here, so on the audio mixer, just right click on this and there's a advanced audio properties. So just open it. At the moment you can see there are two microphone input and there's a recording desktop audio. Just ignore the second one, the microphone I have muted, and I'm using the USB mic here. And on the right hand side you can see there are tracks. By default they are all activated. At the moment I want to use USB mic recording on channel 1 and desktop audio on channel 2. So now I'm going to stop this recording and start using OBS. So I've started OBS recording here, and from now on the audio will go into two separate channels. So let's play the media again. So I'm going to continuously talking while the music is playing, although the music is really loud here.
Artist, and I want to sing a song to
This
you.
is only for demonstration. Okay, now I stop the recording. Okay, I just restarted the recording here. Let's go to check out the result. This one is the currently recording, so this file is the previous one. I'm going to use Kdenlive 24.02.2. Just drag and drop the file here. Put it here. Now you can see there are two tracks. This is the one. So if I play it. So I've started OBS recording here. So that's my microphone input, and here is the media. At the moment it's quite low. So if I want to have the louder background, I can go to here and search for gain and put the effect here. Now I can adjust the background music and play it. Continuously talking while so I can mute the one channel and play it. This is only for preview. So now I can adjust the level separately. There's only one problem. Let's say I want to mute one channel. Let's say I cut this. And I want to mute the speech at this point. Put the mute here. And you can see the mute go to all two channels. The only way to do this, I have to ungroup them and delete the mute here from the background music. So of course I have to group them back, otherwise when I move around they will be out of sync. So let's group them. Now I still can move them as a group, but as you can see this is the speech is mute, and if I play it, so there's no microphone speech. This is very useful for screencasting when I want the viewer to listen to the desktop application, so I can make my speech lower, and if I want to explain something, and I can make the desktop sound lower, so I can adjust the channel separately. Another use case is if you want to do a karaoke recording. Let's clean this. I've got one file prepared. So let's try this one. Let's put it here. And you can see this is the music track here, and here is the vocal track. So I can play it here, for example. So I can mute the vocal. And now I can add some effect on the vocal track. Let's say echo. So again, as you can see, it goes into the background track as well. So that's not what we want. So ungroup it, go to here, delete the effect. So now it's gone. Of course, we need to group them back just in case we want to cut and move. So group them together. Now I can go to here. Let's adjust a little bit. I'm not very familiar with those parameters, but just not too much. Let's try it with the single track. Okay, now I don't want to torture you with my singing any longer. I hope you find this video useful. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.